Hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel Target 100 in Mathematics by Shivesh Kumar Singh. And today we are going to talk about area of composite figure. Okay, so let's start the lesson. Before starting the questions of this topic, first let's revise the basic formulae. First of all, we'll talk about area of triangle. So area of triangle means suppose this side is base, this is B, and height is given by H. So area of triangle will be half times base times height. Okay, though we have so many formulae for area of triangle, but so far we are focusing on this one. Next is area of parallelogram. This is a parallelogram where opposite sides are parallel and equal. So suppose this base is given as B and height, this 90 degree, this height is given as H. So area of parallelogram will be B times H, means base times height, or you can say area of parallelogram is double the area of the triangle. Okay, now this shape is representing a trapezoid. So for trapezoid you have studied that it's suppose this side is A, this is B, and height is taken as H. So area of the trapezoid will be A is equal to half times sum of the parallel sides. Okay, means A plus B times height. Okay, and all these are in the square units, maybe meter square, kilometer square, centimeter square, feet square. Okay, so like this. So these are the basic formulae which will be used in these questions. Now let's try to start the question. Suppose we want to find area of this. It is in general. Okay, no dimensions are given. Just I want to explain you the method how to solve the questions. Now you can see here this figure can be divided into various parts, like for example if you see here, this can be a rectangle or a square depending on the given side. So we can find the area of rectangle or square. Yes, suppose this is X and this is Y. So area of the rectangle will be area of rectangle. It will be equal to length multiply by width, or you can say base multiply by height. And now you can see there are four triangles, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and you can see 1 and 4 triangles are congruent, they are same. So area of triangle 1 and area of triangle 2 will be equal. So we will find any one triangle area and make it double. Similarly, area of triangle 3 and area of triangle 4 will be equal. So you will find area of triangle 3 and you just make it double. And at the last you just add all the areas to find the area of this shape. Okay, now let's start the question. Suppose we want to find area of this composite figure. So what you have to do, basically just divide this picture into the known shape. Known shape means maybe triangle, maybe parallelogram, maybe rectangle, maybe trapezoid or anything. Okay, now see here they say this complete height is 20.75 and this line is 14.5. So it means this will also be 14.5 up to here only. Okay, so what will be height of the triangle? This height will be equal to height of the triangle H is equal to total height 20.75 minus this base, so 14.50. So it will be 6.25 inches. Okay, this is the height of the triangle, and base of the triangle means this line, and this line and this line is same, so this is 4. So area of triangle will be what? Area of triangle is equal to half times base means 4 times height. Okay, now just simplify this. 4 can be divided by 2 easily, so it will be 2, and 6.25 times 2 means it will be, I think, 12.50 inch square. Okay, and now you can see this shape. This one is what? This is rectangle. So area of rectangle is equal to length multiply width. So it means 4 times 14.5. So it will be, just multiply them. 4 times 5 is 20. 4 times 4 16 and 2 18. 4 times 1 4 and 1 5, 58 inch square. So what will be the total area? Total area is equal to This is area of triangle means 12.50 plus area of rectangle means 58.0. It means answer will be 70.50 inch square. Okay. See, if you know, if you can split the given area into the similar picture like known pictures, then how easily you can find the area of the composite figure. Now, let's talk about next question. Now you can see here this shape, this picture can be divided into two parts. One is this one, down is the rectangle, down is rectangle, and what is the name of upper part? This is called semi-circle. Okay, and for all these things I have made a separate video. If you have missed that, then you can see there. Now, area of rectangle is easy to find. Area of rectangle is equal to what? Length multiply width. This is the formula. So equal to, length means you can say 2.25 times width is 1.5. So just multiply this, 15 times 575, and then 15 times 230 and 737, then 15 times 230 and 333. And 2 decimal place here, 1 decimal place here, and in multiplication, you know, decimal places will be added. So it will be 3 decimal places. Feet square. Now this was area of rectangle. Now we will find area of semicircle. So area of semicircle, it will be equal to what? Half pi r square, if you remember the formula, equal to half pi. We'll see the value of pi, what to write. Now you see, this 1.5 is the total length, means it is a diameter. So what will be the radius of the circle? Radius of the circle will be 1.5 divided by 2, because radius of the circle is half of the diameter. So it will be equal to 1 over 2 times, it can be written as 3.14 times 1.5 over 2. Now we have to just simply divide it so that we can get the answer. Okay, you can calculate this area yourself, I am sure. Calculate this and say, for example, this is A1. So total area will be what? Total area equal to, I don't want to waste your time in multiplication. So total area will be equal to A1 plus 3.375. Okay. So this, after evaluating this, it will be the answer. Okay. Now, next is find the area of this composite figure. You can see here, this is a trapezoid, no problem. But this side we don't know. So we will not think about the trapezoid. So what we are going to do here, see, they have already drawn a dotted line here to give the hint that this is, picture is divided into two triangles, 1 and 2. So what we are going to do here, area of triangle 1, area of triangle 1 is half times base times height, means half of base. Base is, for this bigger triangle, is 6 times height is 5. So it will be 2 times 3 6 and 3 times 5 15 feet square. And then area of triangle 2, that is this down one. So this will be half times base times height. So 2 times 2 4 and 2 times 3 6 feet square. So therefore total area is how much? It is area of triangle 1 plus area of triangle 2. So it will be 15 plus 6 means 21 feet square. Okay. Now let's talk about the next question. See, it looking like very complicated, but it is very easy. This also can be divided into two parts, 1 and 2. So what is the shape of 1? What is this one? It is parallelogram. Yes, it is parallelogram. So area of 1 is equal to what? It is area of parallelogram. So parallelogram area formula was base times height. So this is, base is 10 times height is 5. So it is 10 times 5 means 50 centimeter square. Now area of 2. What is this 2 picture? This shape is what? This is trapezoid. Yes, this is trapezoid, and its area will be half times sum of the parallel sides, means 7 and 14 are the parallel sides, these two, times height. So this will be 2 times 3, 6, 14 plus 7, 21 times 3. 21 times 3 is 63 centimeter square. So total area will be how much? It is 50 plus 63. So it means 113 centimeter square. Okay. Now let's talk about this shape. Find the area of the following composite picture. So what will be area in this case? You see, if you draw a line like this, see, these type of questions can be done in various methods. Okay, this is not the single method only. Now this is one is a semicircle, yes, whose radius is 5, and down is divided into two triangles. 2 and 3 are the triangles of the equal area. So what we will do, we will find area of one triangle and just make it double. So first of all, we are going to find area of semicircle. Area of semicircle, again, it is what? Half pi r square. It means half times pi, we will see maybe 3.14, and r means 5. So 5 square. So it will be 1 over 2 times 3.14 times 25. Now 3.14 can be divided by 2. I can do it here also. Just divide 3.14 by 2. So what you will get here? 2 times 1, 2. 2 times 5, 10. 2 sevens are 14. And 1.57 times 25 will be 25 times 7, 175. 17 carry forward. 25 times 5, 125. 125 and 17, 142. Then 14 carry forward. 25 times 1, 25, and 14, 39. Make sure that my calculation is correct. If not, then please correct it. Okay. This is feet square. This is area of semicircle. Now area of two triangles. It will be what? Area of one triangle is half times base times height, and you will multiply by 2. Why we are multiplying by 2? Because we have two triangles. So 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 5, 20 feet square. So total area equal to what? Total area equals to 39.25 plus 20 means 59.25 feet square. Okay. Now next is, I know I'm just moving little forward, little quickly, because I have to cover as many as question I can. Okay. Find the area of the following composite figure. Now you see here what we can do in this picture. Just we need to try to make it in the similar form. Okay. Like if you can draw a line like this, then it becomes a rectangle and upper portion will be a triangle. So what we can do here? Area of rectangle is 20 times 6. So area of rectangle is equal to length multiply width, means 120 meter square. And what about triangle? Area of triangle is equal to half times base times height. See, now here is a question that how you are going to find the height of the triangle. You see, for this you need to be little calculative here. This total height is given as 10 and this height is 4. So what will be the upper height? Upper height will be 10 minus 6 means 4. 4 meter. Okay. And what is base? This total is 20. From 20, 8 has gone this side, 6 has gone this side. So base will be equal to 20 minus 8 minus 6 means it will be 12 minus 6, 6 meter. So here it will be 1 over 2 times 6 times 4. So 2 times 3 is 6, 3 times 4, 12 meter square. So it will be total area equals to 12 plus 120 means 132 meter square. Okay, just make sure that calculations are correct. Now, we have to find area of the shaded region. How you can find the area of the shaded region? This blue part. See, area of shaded region equal to what? Area of rectangle, that the big area, okay, because rectangle means this complete, okay, but we don't want this complete area. So what we will do here, from this total area we will subtract area of circle. So how you will subtract area of circle? Let's try to find the area of rectangle first. So area of rectangle is 8 times 6, that is length multiply width, minus area of circle is pi r square, means 8 6 the 48, minus pi means 3.14 times r square. See, radius is half of the diameter. Diameter is 4. Here I am writing diameter is 4. So radius will be equal to 4 divided by 2 means 2. So it will be 2 times 2, 2 to the power 2. So it will be 48 minus, just multiplied by 4. 4 4s are 16, 4 1s are 4 1 5, and 4 3s are 12. So 48 minus 12.56. Again I am telling you how to subtract the decimal numbers, okay. In 48 we don't have decimal point, so make 100 here, and then it is 12.56. Now 1 carry forward here, so it will make it 100. So and it will become 47. So 100 minus 56 is 44, and then 7 minus 2 5, and 4 minus 1 3. So this is 35.44 meter square. Okay. Now next is again similar question, but with the different sides given here. So shaded area equal to, what we'll do here, area of circle minus area of square inside. That white color is the square inside, okay. So area of circle means pi r square, minus area of square means side times side, okay. Now radius of the circle is 6. So pi means 3.14. You can write the value of pi also. 3.14 times 6 square minus side by side. Now we we have area of square? Yes, we have. So there is no problem. So 8.5 times 8.5. Okay. Now this is, just multiply this 3.14 by 36, and then 8.5 multiply 8.5, subtract it. Okay, here I will tell you one shortcut also which will help you a lot. See, you have to multiply 85 by 85, okay. So whenever any number ends with 5 and you have to square it, so what you do, just write the square of 5, that is 25, and one number this, multiply with the number after it. So 8 times 9 will be 72, and then put the decimal point. So it will be 72.25. See how quickly we can multiply these numbers if you know these shortcuts. And then here 3 point, just calculate it, and that will be the answer. Okay. Now next is find the area of this composite picture. You see of what shape it is looking like. You see this is one side, this is another side, and then going down this is another side, and then coming down this is another side. Don't you think that it is looking like a trapezoid? And from this trapezoid, if we can subtract this area, white color, then we can find the area of blue color, or you can find area of this triangle plus area of this triangle. So let's complete the question by trapezoid. So shaded area equals area of trapezoid minus area of triangle. Okay, so area of trapezoid will be half of sum of the parallel sides. Parallel sides are 18 and 8 times height is 15 minus area of triangle is half of base. So now you see here how you will find the base of the triangle. Okay, base of the, see, height of the triangle is given as 15. It's okay. What is the base of the triangle? Here we can see 8. So it will be base times height. Okay. Now we need to just simplify this. Now you will see how to multiply it quickly. 1 over 2 can be taken common and 15 also can be taken common. What you will get? 18 plus 8, 26 minus 8. So 26 minus 8 means it will be 18. So 2 times 9, 18, and 15 times 9, 135 feet square. This will be the answer. Now, what we are going to do here, you see, this white area has to be, following design has to be covered with the tiles. Means you have to put the tiles like this. Okay. Now, if one tile cover 2.5 square feet, this is for one tile. So, how many tiles will be required? See, for this you need to find the area. So, how you will find the area here? You see, try to understand this. If you can join this line like this, and here also if you join like this, then it will become a trapezium, and rectangle or square depending on the side. It will become a rectangle. Okay. Now let's talk about this. How to find area of trapezoid? Area of trapezoid. So we have two trapezoids. So it will be half of sum of the parallel sides. So how you will find the sum of the parallel sides? Let's try to understand. Do we have something to find here? Okay, so sum of the parallel sides. How do we find this side? Do we have something to find this length? Because that will be, yes, we have 18. Okay, it is given in the question. So it is 18. It is given here. This one. Plus another smaller side will be, see, from 18 you just subtract this side. Okay, so because we want this, so it is given here 10. So 18 plus 10 times height. Height is given as 5. This is the height. Times 2. Sorry. Times 2 because we have two trapezoids. So this cancel. 18 plus 10, 28 times 5. It is equal to 5 times 8, 40, and 5 times 2, 10, and 4, 14 feet square. This is the area of trapezoid. Now area of rectangle. Area of rectangle. So it will be equal to length multiply width. So 18. So it will be 360 feet square. So total area equals to 140 plus 360 means 500 feet square. Now you see one tile cover 2.5. So number of tiles will be, what it will be? 500 divided by 2.5. Now here we have decimal point but numerator we don't have. So cut the decimal point from here and here put 1 0. So it will be 25 times 250, 200. So 200 tiles will be required. Okay. And if you need to find the cost in some questions, then multiply with the cost also. Now let's talk about this. See, the here cost is given. This walkway has to be covered by tiles if one case of decorative stone cost AED 25 and covers 6 square foot, how much will it cost to cover the walkway? Okay, so again we have to find the area first. So let's talk about this. We join this line. Now it becomes trapezoid and down is the rectangle. So total area equals to area of trapezoid plus area of rectangle. Okay, I am writing in short. It is equal to area of trapezoid means half of sum of the parallel sides means 13.65 plus 4.20 times height means 4.2 plus area of rectangle means 6.3 times 4.2. Okay, now you see, if calculator is allowed to you, then it's very good. But if not, then I will tell you how to do it easily. Okay, see, we can say 4.2 can be taken common. So it will be 4.2 and then we can have 1 over 2 times. This you can make it plus, so 5 and then 6 and 2, 8. Okay, I'll write little smaller. 5, 6 plus 2, 8, 4, 3, 7, and then 1. Okay, now plus 6.3. Now you just divide this by 2 because it's easy. 2 times 8, 16, then 1 carry forward, 2 times 9, 8, 18, and then 2 times 2, 4, 2 times 5, 10, plus 6.30, or you can write 2 more zeros. So 4.2 multiply 5, 2, and then 9, 3, 12, 1 carry forward, 8, 6, 14, and 1. Just multiply this. Now here I will tell you the approximation also. If it is a multiple choice question, then you can see it is close to 4 and it is close to 15. So 4 and 15 if you will multiply, then your answer will be close to 60. It will not be exactly 60, but it will be close to 60. Okay. So like this you can solve the questions. Hope you have understood this topic, and if you think that such videos will help you to increase your knowledge, please like and subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.